Hello everybody. Well, we have another package. It's pretty bad. It's got a hole in the side and we got stuff poking out. So let's see what condition it's in. Grab a razor. This is gonna suck. If this is damaged, this is gonna really suck because I've had this on my watch list for 2 years. And that's the way it came. So this horrible, it's got another hole right there. I don't think the person put any padding in it. It's got a big old hole in it. I hope it's not damaged. It's real sensitive. It's a microscope, so let's open this up. And just so you get the label. Mr. Ryan. Let's open this up. I just hope it's not damaged. If it survived, I'm going to be amazed because the prism's in here. Okay, you all seeing this? This is how it arrived. We have a box on the top, and he just threw it in a box. Look at that. No padding whatsoever. Holy crap. I hope nothing's damaged on it. Oh.